guys, another interesting project. So we have a Range Rover Vogue in house. So the client wants the entire car's color to be changed, and also a lot of other refurbishments and corrections that need to be done. So let me show you typical problems that come with aging. As you can see, this is a common problem with most of the Range Rovers. The headliners start sagging. Let me take you closer. So as you can see here, the headliner is sagging. I'm able to pull it out very easily. So the same problem persists in different places of the headliner. So we're gonna change it and make it look like brand new. And come here, let me show you around the door plan. So if you see the pull cup, and around the pull cup, you know, with constant usage, the color of the leather tends to fade out, and also the color on the speaker mesh has also worn out. So we're gonna change this leather, probably match it to the seat cover color, so that gives a nice contrast. Let me show you a close-up of how it looks where the whole part is accessible. So this is the door pad completely dismantled. So as you can see, this is the part completely worn out here. So we're gonna completely change this to the same color or to a different color. This is the switch module, which is accessible. And I was talking to you about the speaker. As you can see, this is the speaker mesh, the speaker bezel. Everything is disassembled very carefully. It requires expert hands, a lot of experience. So we basically got, as you can see in close-up, the color is worn out. You know, with aging, it tends to come off. So we are gonna correct it and make it look brand new. So let's wait and see after the whole project is finished how it looks. I'm eager to see how it looks.
Gotta let you say it, cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm up? So up, so up. If you wanna wake up, there's places I could take you. Lost in the dream of what comes after the afterlife. Boom, bop, body like a bass drop. Gon' give it to you, baby, don't stop. A body like a drum. Body on top. Boy, take it like a hold up. Gon' give it to me, baby, don't stop. A body like a drum. I create the world in the womb I am. Make her have the pearls, make her have the man. I am of the greatest, the great I am. The lion and the lamb, lion and lamb. If you wanna wake up, there's places I could take you. Lost in the dream of what comes after the afterlife. Boom, bop, body like a bass drop. Gon' give it to you, baby, don't stop. A body like a drum. Body on top. Boy, take it like a hold up. Gon' give it to me, baby, don't stop. A body like a drum. Body
It looks good. Even with the color change, even the badges, everything is freshly painted. On the whole, it looks good. I like it. Let's take a look at the headliner we were talking about. Okay, this looks nice too. Looks very OE, looks fresh. The center console here also painted to black. The sun visor also painted to black. The mirror trims, everything is in black. And the speaker mesh, which was worn out. The armrest leather was worn out, that's replaced. So So I think on the whole, it's a pretty good job. You should have a happy client. I think the car looks beautiful in black. And this as well. I think earlier it was in silver. And this is the new color scheme. The color what you're seeing on the car is peelable paint. As you can see, it looks just like an OE paint. Very high gloss. I can literally see my face so clearly on the paint job. Grill as well. It's completely worn out. You can see the paint chipped off and dead in all the edges. So that looks very fresh as well. And the slats had a two-tone, but that's in body color. The bumper trim on the bottom, that's a contrast color. It's the same as the contrast color in the side body panels. And the handle, we've retained the original chrome, and the insert in the handle has been matched to the body color. I think on the whole it looks great. Slow and steady job, but good results. So see you guys soon again.